Water-based markers are a very versatile supply, and you can use them to create beautiful colouring and watercolour-like effects. Many of us may be familiar with the types of markers or felt tip pens that we used as children, and unfortunately these never worked very well. They often didn't blend, they were streaky, they sometimes even tore holes in the paper. However, with the right paper and techniques, all water-based markers, from fancy real brush pens to simple children's felt tip pens, can be used to create beautiful blended paintings. The markers just have to be water-based and you can create watercolour effects with them. I've been using water-based markers to paint and colour my own work, and in this class I'll show you how I use water to blend and move the ink, and I'll walk you through a variety of different techniques and ways to apply the colour to the paper and how you can use the pens to their advantage. We'll run through some basic supplies and types of pens that are available, different papers, brushes and so on. Then we'll have a look at colouring techniques, brush strokes, layering, blending and details, filling out a practice page as we go so we can get comfortable with the different techniques. I'll show you how you can use the markers themselves to create blended colouring, and I'll also show you some fun techniques using an acrylic block and a marker airbrush. This class comes with 2 real-time colouring projects where I put into practice all the different techniques that I've discussed. The first of these is a watercolour wet into wet style of colouring, very loose and very splattery, and the second of these is more precise and focuses on gradients and blending. This class also comes with both designs from the lessons as printable colouring pages so you can follow along at home, and if real-time tutorials are not for you, I've also included sped up versions of both of the final projects so you can pick up the learning speed that's best for you. You can access the colouring printables on the right hand side of the Your Project section, and you can upload images of your own work on the same page, ask questions and get feedback. This class is suitable for everyone, from beginners to more advanced creatives, anyone looking to add some fun techniques to their skill set. I hope you'll join me in this class and unlock the possibilities of water-based markers. Now let's get started.